So hi everybody, here we are Team VCode with our idea named iTrain. It's a smart automated learning platform with features like automated interactive learning dashboard that students can use to learn at any moment of time with the comfort of within the comfort of their home. And the teachers can upload the training material in form of PPTs that can be converted into really great web pages that can be easily accessed on any platform. Also, these web pages can be downloaded and exported to any LMS via SCORM compatible SCORM 1.3 compatible modules. Also, there's in platform quiz and leaderboard. So first let's go. There are two sections, one for trainee and one for instructors. So let us say we go to instructors dashboard. The fully platform is authenticated, so you have to put your password and email here and click login. And now we have come to the instructors dashboard that has sections like home, where the instructor can upload and download the instructor can upload a PPT and see the training materials that has been converted. He can also generate quizzes in quiz generator section. In SCORM slide section, he can generate SCORM packages that can be exported to any LMS, and in leaderboard he can see the leaderboard of his classroom, like how his students are performing. So first let's go to the home section, and here let's make a class. So the class can be made for anything. So let's make a class for, let's say, onboarding people, and in onboarding people let's make it for fresh grade trainee peoples, and then let's put the password as EY hack. And now let's choose a file. So let's say we are choosing clustering that has been provided by Hackathon team to us, and it's been submitted to our backend that is now at present hosted on AWS and is highly scalable, as we are using microservice architecture, and each of our service is performing as a separate module. Now let's see when it will be converted. We will get a link. Let's wait for it. So we will be getting a web page that will be having the converted PPT that let's wait. Yeah, so see, the process has been completed and we are given a link that click to open. When we will and we can also submit it. So when we will submit it, this will be submitted for students to be accessed. So let's submit it for now, and say it says the data has been saved. So data has been sent to our backend, and now the students can access this class. Remember, the class is fresh grade training and the password is UI hack. Now let's see the clustering example. So like this, the PPTs are generated and it will be accessed by students. We will be accessing it when we will be in trainee section. Similarly, teacher can generate quizzes here. So he can put the number of questions he want to generate, and let's say 6, and then he can put questions, options, and the correct option. We will see again we have generated a test quiz which we will be accessing in the trainee section. Similarly, in SCORM slide section, teacher can download SCORM packages here and get a view of his generated slides. Also, there is a comment section where he can put comments and he can see the forum comments of other students. We can comment anonymously also here. So let's put anonymous comments here. So like this, he can also see the comments of the other students, which will be populated with time, and he can see the leaderboard of the students at present. As you can see, Carol Shivam has 000 points. We will see after the trainee has accessed any slides. So this was this. Now let's say the instructor has logged out from the platform and we are again on our home page. Now the teacher has emailed his trainees that there's a fresh trainee course with password as UI hack and you can access it. So when the member will come to trainee dashboard, he can enter with, suppose Alex is entering here, he will put his password and he will log in to his trainee dashboard. Now again he is getting a different dashboard here. Here in the home section, he should put a training type and passkey, and he can give quizzes here, and he can like see the recent quizzes that has been generated and existing quizzes here. He can see the learning modules that are available for him, like different learning modules, and same forum that has there, it's accessible again here. So he can also put comments here, and so he can put comments anonymously as well. So he can put comments here. So yeah, and in the leaderboard section, as per, so Alex has logged in and Alex points is 0 point here. Now let's first take the course here. So fresh grade training, and we will put the password as EY hack and we will submit it. So as we have seen, we have generated the clustering PPT. The trainee slides links are here. So clustering. Now let's go to it. So this is the converted module that we have worked majorly on. So as you can see, we have got that interesting slide.
Agenda supervised vs unsupervised learning, types of unsupervised learning, clustering. A association clustering, types of clustering, clustering techniques, hierarchical clustering, k-means clustering, k-means.
You can see how the audio is being generated automatically and being spoken, which can be stopped, placed and paused as by the trainee anytime. He can go to next slide as well.
Supervised learning, unsupervised learning.
Like this, different slides can be accessed.
Clustering, a cluster is distance metrics. Many supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithm depends upon.
He can scroll to read the full article with images that has been made from the slide. Now let's say the student has some doubt, so where he will ask it. So in the real time he can go to our chatbot named Eva. He can say start the chat. Now Eva is here. Now he can ask the doubts to him like what is distance matrix? What is distance matrix? Like he has not understood it, so this will go to the system and the system will say the query has been received and instructor will be in touch with you shortly. So the instructor will see it on his convenience and will reply to Alex, and Alex will get the reply within his mailbox after he has been taking the course. Now this will help him to address the doubt on any time while he is taking the course, and he will have a feeling that somebody is with him while taking the course, and he can enjoy the whole process of training. Now let's say that Alex has taken this beautiful course designed by our system. Now he will go to the quiz section to check his knowledge. So let's say he has taken the clustering thing. So here he can come to the quiz section that has been generated by his instructor and added by his instructor, and here the time is running. So he can just answer. We will answer it randomly for now. So let's say clustering random forest, and oh, he scored 0, so his score will not increase in leaderboard for now. So let's answer different questions. Alex is bad at knowledge. Let's check again. Association, naive base. Yeah, Alex has scored 1 for now, and this has been reflected in leaderboard, and hope Alex will be at top of leaderboard now. Oh yes, Alex is at top of leaderboard. So like this, the whole platform is gamified in nature, and now Alex can log out from it. Now the last thing that our platform powers is again the Carey is logging in, and then he can go to SCORM slide area, and Carey wants to export this clustering module from his platform to different LMS as Moodle, Coursera or any other public thing, and Carey wants to give it on internal LMS of the company. Then she can put that generate SCORM packages, and she will get a download link. She can just simply download this SCORM package and see here a 13.4 MB, like approx 13 MB SCORM packaging be downloaded, which can be taken out from here and put on any LMS present in the world, and the course can be accessed there also. So this was our idea named iTrain to produce universal training modules in an interactive, intelligent and interesting manner for students out here. Thank you.